How's it going, everyone? My name is Travis Zupo. I'm the drummer in a death metal band called Broken Glass Sanctuary, based out of the California Bay Area. I've been drumming for about 24 years now, and I'm also new to the Collision artist roster. My preferred drumstick of choice from Collision is the 5AR. I like the added reach and strength and durability of these drumsticks. Collision, whether you are ordering custom sticks or a bulk order, will treat you well whether you're an artist or just a general consumer. Today I'm going to be showcasing one of my band's songs that we just released back in September called Legions of Baal, and I hope you enjoy it.